Imagine you only have an iron hammer, no electricity, no cranes, no modern engineering knowledge. Now let me ask you, how would you cut a 200-ton stone block, transported 800 kilometers, and fit it with such precision that not even a razor blade could slide between the joints? Impossible, right? But ancient people did it. In this video, we'll explore the 5 most mysterious ancient structures that even modern science asks, how did they do that? These structures might suggest that humanity once possessed a completely forgotten technology. At number 5, we have Puma Punku in Bolivia. When you arrive here, what you see doesn't look man-made, because the greatest mystery of this site lies in its cutting precision. These massive blocks are made of andesite, one of the hardest stones on Earth. So how did the ancient Incas cut these stones with millimetric precision using soft bronze tools? It's as if they used a laser cutting device. The L and H-shaped cuts in the blocks are flawless, as if they came from a mass production line. Even the holes in some blocks look perfectly circular, as if drilled with a modern tool. Some theorists believe this site was built by a civilization with a completely different kind of technology. Or maybe they were just incredibly persistent. At number 4, we have Sacsayhuamán in Peru. This might be the pinnacle of stone masonry. When you look at the walls, you see massive, curved blocks weighing over 120 tons. Normally, to join to stones, you'd need to cut them flat. But here, the stones fit together like puzzle pieces, with no space for even a sheet of paper between them. Not only did they move these massive stones, but they also joined thousands of irregularly shaped pieces with perfect precision. This structure demonstrates earthquake-resistant techniques that rival modern engineering standards. Did the Inca civilization achieve this using only stone, rope, and manpower? Did they use some lost kind of mortar? Number 3 is a must-have on any list. The Pyramids of Giza. We've seen countless films about their construction, but the logistical mystery remains unsolved. Each of the 2.3 million stone blocks weighs around 2.5 tons. The ancient Egyptians completed this in about 20 years. The biggest question: how did they lift the stones to such heights? There's the ramp theory, but building those ramps would require as much material as the pyramid itself, and at that pace, a new stone block would need to be placed every 2 minutes, even with modern crane systems. That speed is hard to achieve. The pyramids are monuments that push the limits of human strength and perhaps hint at a mechanical knowledge far beyond what we assume. Number 2 takes us thousands of years back to Turkey. Göbekli Tepe. This site rewrote our textbooks. Göbekli Tepe is 6,000 years older than Stonehenge and 7,000 years older than the pyramids. It was built before agriculture, before settled life, even before pottery was invented. This means hunter-gatherers carved and erected T-shaped pillars weighing 20 tons. Science once believed civilization began with settled life, followed by monumental structures. Göbekli Tepe shows the opposite. Belief came first, then settlement. Its purpose and construction are the clearest evidence that human history may be far older and more advanced than we thought. And at number 1, the crystal skulls. These are sculptures made from nearly pure quartz crystal, shaped exactly like human skulls. Why are they mysterious? Because quartz is an incredibly hard material. Carving and polishing it without modern tools would take hundreds of years. Yet these skulls show no signs of traditional tool marks. They appear to have been made using modern rotary tools or some kind of ultrasonic vibration. Modern science says it's physically impossible to achieve such perfection with traditional methods. Some link them to aliens. Others claim they're forgeries, but no one can definitively explain how such flawless quartz carvings were made in ancient times. When we look at all these structures together, one question remains: did ancient people possess a lost technology, forgotten geometry, or unknown energy source? What's your favorite theory about how these mysterious structures were built? Science here, the legacy of a lost civilization. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, and if you love historical mysteries, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next mysterious adventure.